Hi friends, my name is Umair and you are watching UT Info. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe and press bell icon to get all updates from us. Today our topic is 10 inspirational quotes for a healthy work-life balance. It's easy to find yourself in a tug of war between work and your personal life. Juggling the demands of your career and life at home can be so tough that it can jeopardize your well-being. Achieving a healthy work life balance is, therefore, crucial in improving your physical, mental, and emotional health. In fact, it also contributes to increased productivity, motivation, and success at work. If you feel hostage by your job and stuck trying to pick between your work and your personal joys, we have got a few words of wisdom that might help remind you the importance of maintaining a work life balance. Read or for 10 inspirational work life balance quotes. Never get so busy making a living that you forget to make a life. Dolly Patton. Some of us are just too busy with our professional lives, striving to score the next best goal and make the next big buck. We are too busy for a coffee, too busy for the kids, and too busy for a holiday. Before we know it though, our business has left us with a broken marriage, health issue, or non existent relationship with the children. Country singer Dolly Parton reminds us that we need to prevent our business from robbing us of our personal lives. Take a step back from work as much as you can and dedicate some more to personal players instead. Second is work is a rubber ball. If you drop it, it will bounce back. The other four balls, family, health, friends, integrity are made of glass. If you drop one of these, it will be irrevocably scuffed, nicked, perhaps even shattered. Jerry Keller. This thought provoking quote reminds us that about the most important things in life family, health, friends, and integrity. When these aspects of your life start falling apart, you risk never getting them back. Perhaps you focus on work, never let you pay attention to your health until you were faced with the sickness, or maybe you lost contact with friends for years and years. Work, on other hand, can be fixed when things go wrong. Fail the task, try again tomorrow. Got fired, get a new job. As real estate entrepreneur Gary Keller says, remember that work will always bounce back, but the precious things in life you neglect might not. Number 3 is most people chase success at work, thinking that will make them happy. The truth is that happiness at work will make you successful. Alexander Jaloff. We are all pressured to be the next Richard Branson, Steven Jobs, or Elon Musk. We chase success so much that it leaves us feeling burned out, overworked, and unhappy with less control over our personal lives. This can result in a miserable battle for a work life balance. However, as speaker and author Alexander Jaloff observes, being satisfied with your job and feeling less pressured will ultimately help you reach that success you yearn for at work. From flexible working hours to taking a break, there are ways to improve productivity and happiness in the workplace. When you achieve this, you are more likely to have an improved work life balance, and that is critical to career success in the long run. Number 4 is you can't really be considered successful in your business life if your home life is an shameless. Zig Ziglar. Some of us are simply stuck in the mindset of making money and being successful. We work longer hours, take on big responsibilities, and obsesses over success so much that it earns and our focus and energy. Simply put, our job take precedence over everything, including our families. The dilemma of work versus family is one that most professionals struggle with. But this great quote for this late Zig Ziglar affirms that it is family or your home life that must come first. There is no success at work when you have a crumbling relationship with your partner or children at home. You may be an overachiever, but try not to sacrifice your personal relationships because of work. Take an honest look at your priorities and build those bridges. When you meet personal commitments, you are more likely to achieve success at work. We need to do a better job of putting ourselves higher on our own to-do list. Michelle Obama, an unhealthy work-life balance can have a determinant effect on your health. The stress of managing between personal and professional duties can become a tiresome and demanding that it leaves you irritable or even depressed. Your schedule is so crammed with meetings, emails, and phone calls that you forget to slot in time for your message, girls, trip, or night with family. In the words of former First Lady Michelle Obama, it's time that you put yourself higher on your own to-do list. Swap reading work emails with reading a book in the evening. Forget about finishing that report on the weekend and go for that message instead. Make time for your mental and physical health instead of prioritizing work all the time and increasing your chances of burnout. Number 6 is when in doubt, choose the kids. There will be plenty of time later to choose work. From Anna Quinlan. Wondering whether to attend that conference or your child's soccer game. Need to go for parent meeting but promise to meet your pros. It's easy to feel torn between the kids and your career as a working parent. According to Cypher, 75% of working parents experience stress and anxiety when trying to maintain a work-life balance. If American author and journalist Anna Quinlan's quote is anything to go by, the children should always come first. This doesn't mean you have to quit your job and become a stay-at-home parent. Just know when to prioritize the kids first and put work last. Joining them at the dinner table after work and helping them with their homework are just a few ways to make sure you are probably balancing work and home life. Number 7 is it is not work that kills men. It is worry. Worry is rust upon the blade. From Henry Ward Beecher. Where work-life balance becomes too much to handle, it results in stress and worry. The anxiety can be even worse than you are juggling between heavy workloads and personal trust. Killing yourself over a career isn't worth it. In fact, it only be damage your health but your progress too. If you are finding yourself crippled with anxiety due to demanding work life, turn to this quote by 19th century clergyman and special reformer Henry Ward Beecher for inspiration. Prioritize your health and take the time to unplug from your job. No one on his deathbed ever said, I wish I had spent more time at the office. From Paul Songs or Harold Kushner. This quote may seem rather black, but it rings true for those who are struggling for a work-life balance. Whenever it's your boss who is nagging you for extra hours or a project that's making you work overtime, it's easy to feel immense pressure to spend extra time at work. You may feel guilty and have conflicting emotions about being at the workplace or spending time on the things that are important to you. This remarkable quote, however, states that at the end of this life, you won't be worrying about how much time was spent at the office, but rather how much time you spend doing the things you love. It's all about from this video. Thanks for watching.